Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a full Excel export of all of your LastPass passwords and notes. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. We're going to be doing this specifically on PC and a web browser. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So just to give a little bit more information about why you would want to do this, especially now that LastPass is updating their free tier, they're going to be making a lot of changes. So I imagine a lot of people are going to want to change to other applications. Using this method, we can actually take this export file and then import it to other applications such as Bitwarden. But today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to export it. And I'll even show you how to export it into different formats, not just the PHP one that LastPass gives you on their website. So the first step to this is going to be coming to this link. Links is always in the description down below. And this is going to be for the LastPass plugin for Google Chrome. Now this will work in both Google Chrome and Edge. I believe there's also a Firefox version that should work as well. I'll be leaving those linked in the description down below. And the reason we're using the plugin instead of the website is because we actually get more advanced export options using the plugin rather than the website itself, where we're limited to just a PHP version of the export. So once you have your plugin installed, it should appear on the top right here in the little LastPass icon. Otherwise, what you can do is click on your extensions button right here. And here you should see a list of all your currently installed extensions. And you can simply click on your LastPass one right here, which should open up your LastPass menu. Now, once you open this up, we should get a bunch of different options here, including Open My Vault, Recently Used, and a couple of other things here. We're actually going to be looking for the second one from the bottom here, Account Options. If we click this open, we will get some more options and information for our account. We're going to be looking for the Advanced option right here. If we select this open, we'll then have a couple more things. And the second one from the bottom here we're going to be looking for is Export. And if we select this, we will actually have three different options to export this as. We can export it as a LastPass CSV file, which is going to be the Excel file. We can export it as a LastPass encrypted file, or we can export it as a form fields file. Now for today's video, I'm going to be exporting it as a CSV file. Of course, you can choose whichever one best suits you, but most likely if you're going to be importing it to other applications, a CSV file is what you're going to be looking for, and that's exactly what we're going to be downloading here. Simply select this. We'll then be brought to a new screen where we'll have to reconfirm our password. You can also feel free to enable do not reprompt for if you would like to. In today's video, I'm not going to be doing that. Once you have entered everything and confirmed everything here, simply click continue, and then your LastPass export will start to download, and it will be available as a CSV file. Now, just like that, you've actually downloaded it. If you open up this file, I'm not going to be doing it right now. All of your password and backup information will be stored here. So you can feel free to keep this as a local backup, preferably somewhere that isn't available online, that you can keep locally, that's on a USB stick or something like that, so it's not going to be easily accessible. Or you can feel free to just manually import it to any other application, create it as a backup there, and then delete this file once you're done with it. It's probably better to not leave this around on a PC somewhere that's easily accessible, as it will give you access to a lot of your stuff. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to create a backup of your LastPass passwords and notes. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you find these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.